Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Let's Go Pikachu on your laptop. Playing console games on a computer requires an emulator, which mimics the original hardware. For a smooth experience, your laptop should have robust processing power and ample memory. Before you begin, make sure your operating system and graphics drivers are fully updated. This foundational step is crucial for optimal performance and compatibility, ensuring a more enjoyable gaming session from the start. Choosing the correct emulator is your next vital step. For Nintendo Switch titles like Pokémon, Let's Go Pikachu, Yuzu and Ryujinx are two highly regarded options. Each offers unique features and performance characteristics, so it is wise to research which one best suits your system and preferences. Always download the emulator directly from its official website to ensure you receive a legitimate and secure version, protecting your computer from potential risks. To play the game, you will need legally obtained game files, commonly referred to as ROMs. Once acquired, transfer these files to a clearly designated folder on your laptop for easy access. Next, open your chosen emulator and navigate through its settings. You will need to configure various options, including controls, graphics, and audio, to achieve the best possible performance and visual quality for your specific system setup. For the most authentic and enjoyable gameplay, connecting a compatible game controller is highly recommended. While keyboard controls are an option, a controller offers a more intuitive and comfortable experience. Feel free to fine-tune the graphics and audio settings within the emulator to match your personal preferences and laptop capabilities. Most importantly, remember to save your game progress frequently to prevent any potential loss of your hard-earned achievements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.